Into form. This will be his 5th start, coming off of a great one. 7.
Swing and a miss. Mondesi down on strikes.
You were right, Michael. There is off-speed going today, right to the curveball at 80 miles.
Swing and a miss. Down with a breaking ball.
And here comes the spin, down and in.
Strike 3, Duda down looking. 3rd strike.
Support system, he may have walked away. Luckily, he did not. And
They go through it. Swing and a miss.
Regression to the mean.
How about this? 4 strikeouts in a... Strike 3. Swing and a miss. Strikeout number 8. Swing and a miss. Go. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Strikeout.